Today we're talking about regaining confidence after marriage and motherhood while losing weight. So go ahead, grab your favorite cup of tea and join me on this heartfelt journey. Are you ready? So you're a loving mother of multiple beautiful children and a devoted wife. Many of us, you have embraced the whirlwind of motherhood and marriage with open arms. However, as the years have passed, you have begun to feel a little lost, especially when it comes to your confidence. While raising children, you now find yourself struggling with body image and self-esteem. But you realize it's time for a change, not just physically, but mentally as well. One day, while folding laundry and reflecting on your life, you stumbled on an album of photographs filled with photos of you in some of your favorite clothes. That moment sparked something within you, a desire to reclaim confidence. Now you decided to set small, achievable goals instead of jumping into a strict diet. You start with simple changes. You start to take short walks and gradually increasing it into longer walks. You have discovered that movement can be fun. You start to involve your children. You turn your walks into mini group strolls with them. You start to dance together.
I know. You're the sun, the moon, on the moon. Have a little walk, go the sun, the moon.
This not only keeps you active, but also strengthens your bond with your children. You'll start to find joy in the journey. Instead of focusing solely on weight loss, you'll celebrate every small victory, like fitting into a dress or jeans you haven't worn in years. Alongside your physical journey, you'll begin practicing mindfulness. Every morning, sit quietly and reflect on what you're grateful for. This practice will shift your mindset and allow you to embrace self-love. With each day, you learn to silence that inner critic and start to realize that confidence isn't just about appearance. It's also about how you feel on the inside. It's about embracing your unique journey, your imperfections, and celebrating the beauty of motherhood. Now, you may also seek out a community of like-minded individuals who are also seeking to lose weight. Together, you can share tips, recipes, lift each other up during the tough days. This support system can play a crucial role in building your confidence. You realize that you're not alone and that other individuals are on the same path and you can all thrive together. You'll find that weeks will turn into months and your confidence will blossom and you'll begin to see changes in your body. But more importantly, you'll begin to feel empowered. You'll realize that confidence is a continuous process. It's not a destination. It's about nurturing ourselves, embracing change, and find joy in the little things. So if you're looking to boost your confidence, watch this video again. If you have enjoyed this video, watch my next video. And I'll see you in my next video. Take care of yourself.
We go right now. So I draw my cards on the table. I wanna love you, I wanna love you and treat you right. I wanna love you every day and every night. We'll be together when the roof right over our head. We'll share the shelter of my single bed. We'll share the same room. share the same room, but you provide the bread. So I throw my cards on the table. Say I wanna love you, I wanna love you and treat you, love you and treat